Do you want to grow your YouTube channel without having to keep on uploading videos every now and then? It is very possible and you're in luck, because today on this video, I'm going to be showing you some very important settings that you can apply on your YouTube studio that is going to help you to start increasing your views and your subscribers. So if you've been on YouTube for a while now, or if you're just starting out on YouTube and you don't want to keep on uploading videos every now and then, or you really don't have the time that you can keep uploading video very often, then you want to be able to learn this trick that I'm going to be showing you. Want to make sure that you apply this trick that I'm going to be showing you, because it's going to help you increase your subscribers. So a lot of these big YouTubers out there actually use this to grow their subscriber counts, but then you wouldn't really know, because they really don't tell you, or they don't really go into detail to show you exactly what you're supposed to do and where exactly you're supposed to apply these settings. So that's why today on this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that and where exactly you can apply this setting. Before we jump into the video, I want to make sure that you know that creating very engaging and good videos content is very important for you to be able to gain those subscribers, okay? Because some people confuse thinking that they want to be able to trap the YouTube algorithm, but what you don't know is that the algorithm follows the subscribers. What your viewers watch, it follows them. So for you to be able to gain the YouTube algorithm, you need to look for strategies that is going to help you attract your viewers' attention first. Then the YouTube algorithm now is going to follow you. So if this video is something that you really want to watch, then consider giving this video thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, drop your comments down below, share this video with your loved ones, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that you will be aware whenever we post up a new video. So hi there guys, welcome to the channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, hello, hi, hope you're fine, fabulous, hope you're good. So thank you so much for coming to this channel. Go on ahead and click on that subscribe button so that you can become a member of this beautiful family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. Thank you for the support. I really do appreciate your love. So jumping in straight to the video, first thing you want to make sure that you're doing correctly is that you've had at least 5 to 10 videos on your channel. So you don't want to apply this setting to your channel where you don't really have videos that you can attract your viewers attention, because if you add the subscribe links to various places on your channel, then you don't have the videos. When the viewers come, or your audience come, they won't have a video to watch. So the reason why you need to have at least 5 to 10 videos is that when your viewers come and they are able to give you that subscribe, you're going to catch their attention, you're going to catch their focus on your channel. When they finish with your first video, they'll want to go on to your second video to see exactly what you're talking about, and to the next and to the next. So when you don't have enough content in your channel, then you might not be able to catch them, and they might not return back to your videos because they know you have nothing there for them apart from the one video you had. So you want to make sure you have at least 6 to 10 videos that can actually capture your audience interest and their attention towards your video. Then secondly is that you're going to go over now to your YouTube studio. You're going to copy your link from there. Then we're going to go over to an external app that is going to help us generate a subscribe link. And so I'm going to be doing a screen record on my phone to show you exactly how you can do that. So for you to access the desktop version of your mobile phone, all you need to do is go to your browser and type in the word youtube.studio.com. So when you do that, it's going to take you directly to your desktop site. Then you're going to land on your dashboard, and on your dashboard you're going to scroll over to your left hand side. You're going to scroll down and you look for the word customization. You click on customization now is going to take you to where you have your profile and your home tab. Then it also includes you under your profile, you have your banner image, you have your picture, you have your name, you have the description of your channel, your handle, and many other things. Then you're going to scroll over to where you have your channel URL. So we are going to be copying our channel URL. So you go to on the right hand side and you click on copy. Then you move to your browser, over to your browser, to your new page on your browser, and type in the word auto subscribe link generator. So when it takes you now to the site, you're going to type to the very first site that appeared, and it's going to take you over to the auto link generator where you're going to post your subscribe link.
So now it has taken us to the auto subscribe link. As you can see, it says free YouTube auto subscribe link generator. We're going now to paste our subscribe link here, and then it's going to generate the auto subscribe link for us. It has already generated the link. What we are going to do now is we are going to click on copy. We are going to copy it, then go back now to our channel and put it back on our home page. So we are going to scroll down, and so you can see these are the ones that I had, but I'm just going to delete it so that I can explain it for you better. So if you're just new on YouTube, I'm guessing this is how your page is going to be. What you need to do now is you're going to click on add links. Then here the first part says title of the link. So you're going to write down the name of the title of the link you want to add. So I'm going to enter this box. I'm going to enter and I'm going to first of all paste in the auto subscribe link that I copied. That's it. I've already pasted it. Then I'm going to write now the name of the link. So you can write anything. You can write subscribe for more. Please subscribe for more. Subscribe to gain more videos from me. But I'm just going to type in the word. Please subscribe for more. So when I'm done now, the next thing we're going to do is I'm also going to add another link. Like I'm going to add another link, and I'm going to write down my email. So the title of the link is going to be my email. Then I'm going to add my email here. And then when you're done, it's very important for you to go on ahead and type on save. So you want to make sure you type on save, because if you don't type on save, everything you've done is going to be a waste of time. So next thing we're going to do is we're going to scroll down, go over to our description to see if the thing has actually been effective. We'll also go down to our description, and we are going to type in the subscribe link there, so that in case anyone goes to our description, when they are reading our description, they're also going to find the subscribe link there. So I'm just going to write it down, and then now I'm going to paste the subscribe link down, then I'll paste it here. Now that's the subscribe link that we have added it, and so this is going to make it very easy for anyone to subscribe in case they go to check your description page. Then we are going to go over now to our main content. We'll go to our content and check so that we can also add it. And when you're done here, before you leave, always make sure you click on the save. If you don't click on the save, then everything you've done here is just going to be a waste of time. So we're going to go over to a video. Then we are going to and check if the first one we put has been effective. So this is the one we added on our description. As you can see, we have added it on our description, and it shows that it has been effective. So that one it is now active. So if anyone goes to your description, they can actually see that it is active. So if you go now over to your main channel, we're going to check the one on our dashboard. So if you click here, you're going to see that this one too is active. This is the subscribe link. So if anyone wants to read what your channel is about, they are also going to find the auto subscribe link there. And that way anyone can subscribe to your channel. So I hope you found this video very helpful. Go on ahead, subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and share with your loved one. And I'm going to see you in my next video.